What if one cough could reach millions of people? At first, only one person is sick. They may not even know they are contagious. But every contact creates a new chance. One person infects 2 people. 2 people infect 4, and suddenly the chain starts growing. The problem is that growth is not linear. A virus does not move step by step. Sometimes the number of cases multiplies. At first it looks slow and harmless. Then suddenly the curve jumps upward. That is why a few days of delay can change everything. When the chain breaks, the virus loses speed.
Watch the full simulation on Simulated Reality.